Meta has announced that Instagram will stop supporting end-to-end encryption for direct messaging from 8th May 2026 onwards. The company said only small number of users enabled end-to-end encryption, so it is pointless providing end-to-end encryption for everyone. So they have successfully going to remove this end-to-end encryption. And if you want end-to-end encryption, they are suggesting us to move to WhatsApp, which still supports end-to-end encryption. Instead of also providing download option for the encrypted data. A technology professional from Australia used ChatGPT and Google DeepMind's AlphaFold AI to help design a personalized cancer vaccine for his dog named Rosie. After the dog was diagnosed with a life-threatening tumor, the owner used genomic sequencing to analyze the DNA of the tumor and then used AI tools to identify potential treatment methods. The AI helped generate a blueprint of mRNA vaccine tailored specifically to the generic mutation found in the tumor. A new open source artificial intelligence project called MiroFish is gaining popularity on GitHub. The project aims to predict real world outcomes such as economic shifts or market crashes using the system of multiple AI agents that simulate human decision. Relying on a single AI model, the system creates thousands of independent AI entities that interact with each other instead of virtual environment. WhatsApp is reportedly developing a premium subscription service called WhatsApp Plus that would offer additional customization features for users who pay a monthly fee. According to the reports, the plan could include options such as customization of app icon, theme changes, exclusive stickers, ad restriction, and many more other features. And also, we can pin over 20 charts if we have subscription. Google is updating its Google Maps with it's coming with a major update where now we can have 3D visualization while driving. They are mainly focusing on car because it consumes more energy. So they are trying to provide this 3D visualization in car and they will test it and then they will bring it to the mobile. A bizarre internet trend was emerged where thousands of people are photos of everyday objects and asking AI tools roast the object like a stand-up comedian. The trend started on TikTok and Reddit, where users upload images of random items such as old shoes, coffees, mugs, often their laptops, and ask AI to insult them humorously. Some of the AI responses have gone viral because